Hey guys, this is Mrs. Benavides, and we are going to talk about databases. We're going to look at two databases today because we need to find information about our topic, United States and World War II. We need to learn about searching through the databases, and the reason why we're using databases is because they're really nifty. They gather a lot of information for us, but they are a little bit different. We're going to look at two different databases today. To me, they're like a backpack. You throw all your stuff in there that you need for your information, correct? But they can look a little bit different. Some are simple, like my green backpack here. But look at this blue one here, has all these features. And it might be a little more attractive than the green one. So databases are like that. They're all a little bit different. They might have some different features. They might be organized differently, just like your backpack. Might be organized differently from someone else's backpack. But they all do the same thing. They gather information and we are able to access that information. So the first thing I want to look at is browsing. Let's browse in Destiny. And let me go over here to my handout that I've given to you guys. So let's go through the handout. We're going to click on the catalog tab, which I've done. And I see my basic search view here. So what I'm going to do is start with basic, and then we'll do a power search. So just for a basic search, and I've highlighted on there that we can do a keyword search. We can do a subject search. I can also put on limiters. What is that? You are limiting what you are looking for. For example, I want to look for, remember, we're looking for World War II. And right now, I just want to look at books. If I don't get anything good, or if I don't like what I find, I can come back and change that. I also want to, I don't want fiction. I want nonfiction because I'm looking for historical facts. And we could do keyword. Let's try that. That didn't work. Let's try the same thing, but with subject. Well, pooh, that didn't work either. So let me show you a trick. I didn't get anything, right? Take off the book and do any type. Take off nonfiction, because maybe it's just not categorized correctly in the library. Let's try this again. See if we're more successful. Look at that. So now I have all these books that I can look through. There's a lot of stuff here that I have to look through it and see how pertinent it is, but that's okay. And let's go back to, well, you know what, look, go back to library search. Let's do subject for, oh, oops. It would be nice if I included what I'm looking for. So again, we want World War II and subject. Didn't get me very much. But do you notice how this time when it said no matches, it says browse subjects? We're going to take a look at that later. I want to go through the handout first. But we're going to get back to this. So we go through our basic search. We've changed a couple things. How do I pointed that out on the handout. This gives you a little pop-up with help. So if you feel like you're getting stuck, and anytime you see one of these throughout Destiny, you can click on it and see what extra information it gives you. It talks about different ways of searching, which we are going to talk about as well. And remember how I said, oh, we need to do a power search? Let's just try that. And when we give up and we say, oh my gosh, I can't find anything, we're going to browse. I'll show you how that works. You might want to start that way. It's up to you. Let's do our World War II. Let's start with that. I want exactly World War II. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to change this to this exact phrase, because that is something that I can do. Search. And I've got some results here. Yeah, this really isn't what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go back. That does not make me happy. So I'm going to go back. And let's do World War II. And I'm going to put in, for fun, because I do know that we started after Pearl Harbor. But you know what? don't want anything about Germany because I need something for the United States involvement. So I'm going to try these three things. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wikipedia has a ton of results, only 8 for CNN. And I'm not sure I love that. Let me see if I clicked on the correct thing. Show. Oh, there we go. So coronavirus, that's not what I wanted. Oh, World War II pictures, so there's something, but that's still not exactly what I wanted. So let's try this again, World War II, but let me put it in quotations because that is one of the things that I can try. I did include online resources. We changed our limiters. We looked at the Boolean. So the next thing to do on the handout is the quotations. Let me show you. World War II. That is exactly what I'm looking for. I could change to this exact phrase and leave off the quotations, but let's try this. See if it makes a difference. There was a difference. I got fact monster this time. So we could look at that. World War I, that's not what I wanted. So I do need to be more specific. Let's go back. Let's do World War II. Let's do this exact phrase. Let's see if that changes it. Fact monster, let's take a look at it again. I still get World War I, and that's going to happen. That's okay. So let's try. For fun, let's just do, we did quotations, we did the Boolean. Let's try a wild card and see if that does anything for us. World War, and let's do the asterisk, because that will give me everything related to world wars. That's too much. Look at that. Ew. We have some stuff in here, but you know what? That's not World War II. I need to go back. I need to play with this. And that's what you're doing. You're trying different techniques to see what you get. The example I have on here is women with the wild card. And let's try that because women in World War II. This is a good example because not only is the computer going to find women, it will find woman, and that might give me more search results. We found 34 in Wikipedia. I'm not loving what I see here, but that is okay. So if you've tried the truncated search, the wildcard search, look on my handout, number 9. It says browsing. Let's try that. I can do that through basic or power. It doesn't matter. So let's do World War II. And we're going to do, we need to do unlimited. Because if you put on a limiter, like if you say, I only want to find books, you're not going to get the little browsing option. And you want that. See, it found nothing, but look right here. It says browse subjects. Yes, I want to browse subjects. Now I get some results. Look at that, World War II. And I have all sorts of things to look through, so many choices. I don't want this, so I have to keep scrolling and looking for something that I do want. Oh, I saw campaign, Normandy. Look at that. So maybe I want to talk about the Norman invasion, not the Norman invasion, the Normandy invasion. That's a really big difference right there, those two things. So I got something. Well, web path, look at this, results. Oh, look at that. So many things, browsing. Maybe we should start there, but that's okay. We took a look, we looked through all the different ways of searching in Destiny. I wonder what Gale's going to do for us. Let's go over to Gale and let's try the same technique. Just like what we did in Destiny, let's browse topics. I know, right? It's right there. We'll come back to it, I promise. So let's type in World War II. Oh, and look at this. It's a beautiful display. This is like my Vera Bradley backpack. It looks pretty. And I did not put any limiters on. I know that because I have reference, I have videos, academic journals. I have all sorts of things to look through. And I love how it's neatly organized by material. I love how we have featured content, and yeah, it gave me Germany invades Poland, and that's not what I was looking for, but I do have rationing begins. I could look into that. There are all sorts of options here. If you scroll down, they've got biographies about, yeah, Adolf Hitler. Yeah, we don't want him right now. We know he's important, but he does not belong in the United States. We want the US. So we have all sorts of different things to look at. Let's scroll back up and let's try this advanced search. I got a lot of material. I want to do an advanced search to see if I could narrow down my choices. So we skipped doing the material change. It was so neatly organized in Gale. I just did not need to worry about that. So I'm going to go ahead and let's look through our Boolean because we're right here. Why not? So let's do World War II, World War II. I'm going to first start off with just my Boolean. I'm going to take off those quotations, the quotations. So keyword, I want subject. Let's see how far I get with this. My first search was pretty good. So let's see if I can go ahead and narrow that down. And I do, look, I've got D-Day. So here is our Normandy invasion. So that's worth looking into. That's exactly what I want. But I'm going to see what else I can get. Well, if I can spell, then I can. World War II. I'm going to try in quotations this time because I want to see if it makes a difference. I mean, really, I want World War II, and it did a good job last time, but it's always worth trying another search. Let's go ahead and put in Pearl Harbor because that was one of the things that we found, and that seems really interesting. Again, I'm going to put that in quotations. I'm going to go ahead and say subject because I already know I've gotten plenty of results. I really do want to narrow this down. I don't want as many things to look through. Oh, and beautiful. I still get a good amount of results. This is enough to start a search with because you can start looking for more things. And I love how it sorts it into primary source, reference, magazine, news, image, academic journals, a video. This is wonderful. But I do want to see if I get different results when I try different techniques. So let's try that women in, oh, actually we were talking about Pearl Harbor and also the Normandy invasion. So let's try this because this is great. Normandy. And did you know that it's spelled differently in French? So I'm going to truncate this. I'm going to do my subject. And this is something to try. Again, you might not need to. Battle of Normandy, D-Day. Look at that. Why did I do the truncation? Because I didn't know if I would come up with something more detailed or more general. I didn't know. So it's always worth trying. I got a good amount of things to look at. So that was our truncated. We need to try the wild card and see how that works in this one. So let's do, again, we tried women and the other one, let's see how that compares to this one. Question mark, women, because it'll search for a woman or women in World War II. Nope, I'm going to go ahead and type that out because I don't want it to change my wild card. I want subject. Let's see what we get. Belly songs. So that's not what I wanted. That's okay. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Yes, the wildcard did not work for that search, but I tried it and it might work for a different search. That's okay. Let's go to the next thing on our list. We did the truncated browsing. Let's try that because that worked really well in Destiny. And look at here. We've got, we don't have the Normandy invasion. I keep saying the wrong one. But we do get, if you scroll down here, it's not bad. Keep scrolling, scroll. We'll get there. Okay. World War II. Look at that. And we've decided, let's just start looking around. Why not? Germany invades Poland, not what we want, that's okay. But we have all sorts of things to look at. Maybe you weren't interested in D-Day, so you want to look at Japanese internment camps, Japanese forced incarceration. I do have the Normandy invasion here. That is interesting, and you can look into that. So remember, oh, and that's a video. And there are all sorts of things that you get to look at when you browse. So if you're not sure what you want, or you're bored with the first thing you found, browse and see what else there is. That's interesting. Now that we've gone through browsing and truncating and wildcard and Boolean operators, oh, you know what? Let's try one more thing. Speaking of Boolean, we did not try one more thing, then we're going to go on to our closing activity. So let's do World War II. I don't need the quotations. I don't need it. I want my subject, and I'm going to do Pearl Harbor for fun. I know I can find plenty on that. I do not want anything about Germany. And that's one thing I forgot to show you real quick. I don't want that. I don't need that. Let's see if that made a difference. Oh, look at that. More specific. This is lovely. So that's definitely something else to try. All right, over here to our closing activity. Now it's your turn. I want you to find a topic by browsing. Go ahead and browse first. It might be easier. I want you to find a topic through browsing, but also find a subtopic. So when I say women in World War II, also perhaps look at Rosie the Riveter, for example. That would be a subtopic of women in World War II. You're going to write this with your name on an index card. I need your name to identify you. So on an index card, your name, your topic, your subtopic, and you're going to turn that in. And we are going to do some more investigating in the future. So we've gone over a lot today because we've talked about different searches, which is important for finding material for research. And we also looked at 2 different databases. And that is really important because if you can't find information in one database, go look in another database and see what you can find. All right, guys, have fun searching. I want you to definitely ask me if you need any help. Remember that you have these question mark in Destiny. You have all these little question marks that you can click on and get additional search tips. Don't forget about that. All right, have a great day. Thank you.